Hello, this is Jason with Kingdom Coaching. Just wanted to show you a demo of the software we've created. I started building this 4 years ago for my consulting clients and never intended to sell it, along with the other 60 plus AI agents and employees we built for everything from AI voice assistants, AI voice callbacks for appointments, bill collecting. I like the voice text, I'm not a typer. Kingdom Coaching Professional Corporation. What you do is put your name. It's dual mode. Our first version was the Bid King, which was just for subcontractors. This one's dual mode. If you're bidding as a sub, you do this one. General contractor, you do this one. And you can pick if it's prevailing wage or not, and it'll pull from that zip code that it's in. You continue. In the bottom left, there's a paper clip. You attach your or drawings, all your documents. And you don't have to tell it anything, but I like to just give it some direction. Always, the more information you give it, the less clarification questions and flags it'll ask you. Bid this as a general contractor. Be ready in June. We have no other documents. Prevailing wage. Bid aggressively. Mode 1. This is all we have for documents. If you have a schedule, it's best to attach the schedule, spec book, everything you have. We can put in any workflow and automation you have on your existing software. It does not share any of your data with any AI platform. Our software will run on any open AI platform. Most of the time, I use it on Grok or Claude. We have enterprise server on every platform, and we have enterprise accounts on every major software there is out there. We've demoed competitors. Most competitors, I won't say any names, they all use the same cookie cutter information for everybody, and everyone shares all the same trade secrets, so none of your stuff is secure. We focus on custom built solutions, custom built AI agents. We do consulting, build software, we build SOPs, job description, safety programs, everything you need in your business to be successful, to reduce waste, and to scale and grow profitably. And we help businesses buy and sell. I've spent over 40 years in construction, real estate investing. Started writing code, learning code back when DOS mode came out. Operating AI without software or master prompt and code files like we use is like running your computer in DOS mode without Windows.